Hi, everybody. Welcome to Hockey Town here in Detroit, Michigan. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Fans excited to see some of the top stars of the Eastern Conference go at it tonight.
And in a high-scoring conference, they want to see some offense. They'll likely get it tonight as these teams are trying to battle for position in what is always a very competitive Eastern Conference.
Opening face-off is set to go. Referee Gilles Levesque is ready to drop the puck. The Hurricanes take possession here on the opening draw, and we are underway. Stays with it. And now he angles it across to Burns. Here's a shot. Oh, what a stop. Quick pass to Raymond. Gains the zone from the right side. Wrist shot from the slot. Oh, a clutch save.
Anderson's able to get out and make the save on that grade A chance.
And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. From center, they get into the attacking area. Sends it down low. Picked up along the wall by Sider. And that's stopped by Anderson. Slides it quickly to Svechnikov. The Hurricanes move it in. And it's a quick pass to Slavin. From in close. Gives them nothing in front. The Red Wings have it now. The Hurricanes get a hold of it. Cutting to the front of the net. It's in! He scores!
Man, it looks like a bus depot in front of the net. You know it's a tough one when you can't see the goalie. That means he can't see the puck.
The Hurricanes draw first blood here as they score the opening goal of the contest here.
Coaches and players always talk about getting out to an early lead, how you can dictate the pace.
Moves it to Kopp. Along the half wall with the puck. And that shot dies in traffic. And he puts that one aside with ease. There's a hit on the play. The Red Wings have it against the wall. Here's a short pass to Zadina. Slides the puck to Burns. That pass doesn't go. Slides it across to Osterley.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the choppers on that play.
Pacioretty's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Well past the midway mark of this period, the Hurricanes lead it 1-0. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here.
You don't spend much time in your zone if you can win the draw like that.
Great read on the block. And now he moves it to Fabry. Battle along the boards. Hammers a shot. Denies him on the slapper. Using the net for cover. Carolina's on the attack. Takes a shot. Glove save made by Nedeljkovic. The Red Wings move the puck in the defensive zone. Across the line from center. Tries to get the puck over to Stastny. Quick feed to Kasha. Sends a pass over. Stastny's got it along the wing. Battling for it along the boards. Handles the puck. Across the line. Lets it fly. Denies him with the pad. Takes it into the slot. Tries to get the puck to Kubalik. Inside the final minute of the first here. Makes the save. Detroit's got a hold of the puck in their own end, but the clock is winding down. Oh, what a paddle save on the play.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
And he hangs on just as time runs out. Well, there's the horn concluding the first 20 minutes. Time to get a clean sheet of ice. The Hurricanes have a chance for a refresh, but they got to be feeling good, leading 1-0. As both teams get a breather, so will we. We'll take a quick pause for the cause. Both teams had a chance to recharge, and the official set to drop the puck here on period number 2. Moves it quickly over to Sider. Takes the feed. Oh, denies him with the paddle save. Lots of time left in this period. Carolina's up 1-0. The Red Wings win the draw. Hammers it. Denies him with the blocker. What a stop by Anderson. And we're moments away from getting back underway here with the puck drop. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Here's a chance to set up now. Puck scooped up by Larkin. Great reach with the poke check. Detroit's got the puck. Moves the puck. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. The Red Wings will play it in their own end. Quick pass to Aho. And that pass can't connect. Quick pass to Larkin. Takes it to the front. Scores! Dylan Larkin!
When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
Detroit's counter-punch pays off. They've evened things up here in the second.
They've had really good legs since the start of this period, and it seemed like a matter of time before they'd punch through.
And that's picked off in the neutral zone by Slavin. The Hurricanes looking against the half wall. Puck grabbed by Sherratt. Nice pass. Carolina's got the puck. Passes it to Pacioretty. Here's a shot. Oh, how did he get a glove on that? What a stop by Nedeljkovic. Gains the zone from the right. Cuts into the paint. Stones him in front. Shot. Scores, and they go up by 1.
Time no more. That's a big goal to be able to take the lead. He didn't have much room up over the glove, but as soon as the goalie dropped into the butterfly, there was enough for him to put it into the top bin.
Detroit's jumped out to a 1-goal lead here in the second.
Breaking the tie was critical. Now you can play in front and try and dictate the pace of the game.
Taken by Burns. Moves it to Natchez. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Now over to Puljujarvi. Here's a short pass to Natchez. And that's intercepted by Fabry. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Oh, what a stick save!
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
And he sends it across to Puljujarvi. Great reach with the stick by Fabry. Maintains possession. Detroit's got possession of the puck.
Whoa!
He scores! That's 3, Ray!
Yeah, just they haven't taken their foot off the gas pedal at all here. Once they got that first one, they kept pushing away. Now they've got 3. That's a really good shot low on the stick side. The goalie has to try and get it with his pad, and if he can't, it's very unlikely he's going to stop it.
The Red Wings have to be feeling good about themselves here late in the second period with now a 2-goal lead.
Into the second half of the game, they'd love to be able to duplicate that first half, which was almost perfection.
Traps that puck tight into his chest. Here in the back half of this period, Detroit's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Pass back to the point. Carolina's got the puck in their own end. Poked away by Suter. They fight for it along the boards. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Takes a shot. Oh, he got a little sliver of it, and it stays out. The Hurricanes carry it along the wall. Slides the puck over. Quick feed to Teravainen. And a stick breaks that up. The Red Wings are on the attack. Great hits up play with the stick by Pesce. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. And that one's turned away. Anderson's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play. These are positional saves. This is a good scoring chance, and he makes the stop with his stick.
Teams are lined up, and we are ready to take this draw. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. He scores! A buzzer beater before the end of the frame.
Well, this will be a great piece of video for the coaches to show in the intermission. How they got after the puck, they stayed with it, and scored so late in this period. The offensive zone faceoff gives them the jump on puck possession. Shortly thereafter, it's in the net. That faceoff is the key, though.
Detroit's been in simple attack mode all night long. Would you not agree?
Yes, and the opponent has no answer. It's like they can't get up to speed to take any of the pace away.
There's the horn ending period number 2. I'm not sure they wanted it to end.
Time of the goal, 19 minutes, 52 seconds.
What's in store for the third period? Let's tune in to find out just moments away. They're ready to drop the puck on period number 3. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski. Let's do this. Third period underway here. This has been a total squash to this point. Ray Ferraro is back down at ice level. Ray, 40 minutes played so far. What's been your assessment of this tilt?
The Red Wings have been terrific through 40 minutes now. A comfortable lead that they'll just try to ease their way into the finish line.
Still early on in this frame. James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. And it's been a pretty one-sided affair to this point. It's 4-1. Teams are ready for the draw. The linesman about to drop the puck. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Carolina's got it across the line. Moves it quickly over to Svechnikov. Great read with the stick. Now a quick pass to Burns. Teravainen's got it against the boards. Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one.
Nedeljkovic has had a really easy night here, James. I don't know how it could be much easier than this.
Oh, what a save in front. Oh, and it's another save on the play.
So good. A couple of quick stops keep the puck out.
Here's a shot. Too much congestion in front. Dumps it in. Detroit's going to play the puck from behind the cage. They gain the offensive zone from the middle. Here he is in front. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Puck fired in deep, and they'll go for a change. Sends one up to Kopp. Carolina's got a hold of the puck now. And he slides it quickly to Puljujarvi. Fires it. Turns it aside with the pad. Quick pass to Kopp. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moved out in front. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle.
Pacioretty's calling card is that he can score. He doesn't have anything tonight, and really, like most of his team, it's been a long game. They're getting clobbered.
Turned aside with a glove by Anderson. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play if you're not sure what's going on. Freeze the puck. Anderson's really had to be dialed in tonight. He's been busy since the beginning of the game, and he's been excellent.
More than half the period has expired. Detroit's been the better team, and the scoreboard shows it. 4-1 is where we sit. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, an explosive hit on the play.
Part of the package here is this is a power forward. He's got to get through the body. He did a really good job there closing the light.
Slides it back to the blue line. Steps in front of that one. Slides the puck down low. Oh, he'd like to have that one back as it goes off the side. Takes the pass. Dumps it into the O-zone. The Red Wings will play the puck from behind the net. The Hurricanes scoop it up along the boards. Nice poke check. Keeps hold of the puck. Receives the pass. And that's knocked away in the defensive end by Mata. Great chance in front. Comes up with a big pad save to deny.
He looked up to the roof after that one. He thought he had room. The goaltender makes the stop.
Feeds it over to Puljujarvi. And less than a minute to go finally in this one. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Aho's got the puck on the back end. Moves it to Suter. Great poke check on the reach. Here's a short pass to Svechnikov. Detroit's looking to break out. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. And he denied that opportunity. Up along the wing. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Svechnikov. Here's a shot. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a stop by Nedeljkovic. The Red Wings move to the offensive zone. Scores! The captain delivers!
He swept this one up over the goalie's glove. The room wasn't there until the goalie dropped into the butterfly, maybe a little early, opened up some space up top.
Officials getting ready to drop the puck. Puck possession so key in today's game. Stasty's one possession. And we are all over with this one tonight.
They had the puck the whole time, James. It just goes to figure that they were going to win this game comfortably.
Yeah, the right team won this one tonight. You know, there was a time it almost seemed like it was cool to ignore the fans after a game, but man, it's way more audience participation now.
Well, it's all part of the bigger picture. This is supposed to be entertainment. They cheer you, you salute them. Everybody goes home happy.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.